Hey everybody, we have to tackle those perimeter puzzle problems. So let's do it. Now this is due today. If you haven't already handed it in, you're late. You probably should address that. So this first one talks about Max and his yard. We are looking for just the perimeter on this one. To do the perimeter on this one, we are adding all the sides. We got 30 there and 30 there. So I'm going to do 30 plus 30. I got 50 meters there and 50 meters there. I'm going to add another 50 plus 50. I could also solve this by using multiplication. I could do 30 times 2 plus 50 times 2. But we're going to take it apart into pieces. I'm going to do 30 plus 30. I got 60. 50 plus 50 is 100. 60 plus 100 is 160. Your answer is 160 meters. Now, area is going to be 3 times 5. 30 times 50. When I tackle area, I can often use a lot of multiplication tricks to do it. The multiplication trick I'm going to use here is I'm going to get rid of those zeros. I'm going to do 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. I got rid of 2 zeros. I have to add 2 zeros on. My answer becomes 1,500 meters squared. Meters squared. That's important. Now, this one is asking just for the perimeter. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So I'm going to add 7 numbers. I'm going to do 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. Oh, look, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And then I'm going to do the 4. Now, I'm actually going to tackle this one as multiplication. I'm going to do 3 plus 6 plus 7. I'm going to multiply that times 2 because I did it one time there and then another time on this side. Then I've got to add that 4 afterward, that final 4. Aw, final 4. That makes me sad. So 3 plus 6 plus 7, I'm going to take this 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. That means I'm going to end up doing 16 times 2. What's 16 times 2? I don't know. I know that 15 times 2 is 30, and 16 is one more. I'm doing it 2 times, so I'm going to add 2 to it. So that gets me to 32. Then I've got to add that 4 on to it. That gets me to 36 centimeters. The perimeter is 36 centimeters. Now, I'm not certain I'm right, so I'm going to do it again to double check. 7 and 6 is 13, 14, 15, 16. I got 16 there. I'm going to do 7, 6, and 3. That's 16 again. 16 plus 16. I'm going to do that work over here just to make sure that I'm right, because being wrong is embarrassing, especially when I'm the teacher. I got 32 plus my 4 gets me to 36. I got 36 there and 36 there. That's how I know I have the right answer. Now, this one asked you only for the mystery side, and I challenged you to calculate the area and the perimeter of it because we've already been training on how to do this, so you should have been able to, or at least you should have taken a crack at it. Let's first identify that missing side. Missing side is right there. The total length from here to here is 6 feet. From there to there is 3 feet. So what is the remaining part? Well, if it's a total of 6, that's 3. The other part is going to be 3 feet as well. I'm going to partition this into 2 smaller rectangles and do the math on it. So let's do the area first. 6 times 4 is this portion. 6 times 4. 3 times 2, 3 there, 2 there. 3 times 2, that says 6. 3 times 2, I know that 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 times 4 is, oh no, I don't know. I'd have to do the work. I don't have a multiplication chart. What do? I'm going to take this 4 and I'm going to make it a 2 because I know that 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 4 is going to be 12 plus 12. That's going to be 24. Add those 2 together because that's the area for that one, which is 6, and that's the area for this one, which is 24. 6 plus 24 makes my area 24 feet squared. Oh my gosh, that squared part, super important. Let's look at the perimeter of that one real quick and then be done and move on our merry way. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. That is a hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides. Let's add all those 6 numbers together. I got a 3. I've got a 2. I've got a 4. I got a 6. I got another 6. Another 6. Now I got all my sides. Let's double check that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, I missed a number. Where is that number? Well, let's go through and check. 3 there, cross out that 3. 2 there, cross out that 2. 3 there. Oh, I don't have another 3 listed. It must be that 3. Put a plus sign, but I meant to put an equal sign. All right, let's add these together. 3 plus 3 makes 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6, that's 6 times 3, because I got a 6 that I made from those 3s. I get a 6 there, and I get a 6 there. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2 gets me to 20. Plus that last 4 gets me to 24. So my perimeter is 24 feet. Wow, my area is 24 and my perimeter is 24. That seems weird that the numbers are the same, so I'm going to double check that. I'm going to count up this time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I did that problem more than once. I double checked my answers. That's how I know I have it correctly. So you've got the perimeter of 24 feet, the area of 24 feet squared. This one, you had the total perimeter of 36 centimeters. You had the area and perimeter of this one. The area was 1,500 meters squared, and the perimeter was 160 meters. Always circle your answers so they're easy to find, and you have completed this assignment. Make sure that if you have not already sent it to me, you send it to me today. Have a great day, everybody.